At Arizona State University's new Master of Science in Immersive Experience Design, students learn how immersive technologies shape industries. They create work for multiple applications across entertainment, games, health, space, and next-generation learning, building the creative and technical skills that connect the digital and physical worlds. The program is based at the Media and Immersive Experience Center, where creativity meets emerging technologies. Our world-class facilities bring together extended reality, interactive media, visual effects, robotics, and digital fabrication in one collaborative space. We prepare designers, artists, and practitioners for real-world careers through hands-on learning, advanced tools, and partnerships with industry and community organizations. Through exhibitions and public presentations, students learn to share their work, expand their networks, and make an impact. Apply now to join the next generation of immersive designers shaping the future.